7-star online learning. This is Muskan Purwar and I hope you all are safe and secure at your places. Students, if you all remember, then we were discussing on chapter 6, that is multiplication. Yes, and I hope you all remember that we have completed our last exercise, that was self-practice 6F based on problem sums. Yes, so today we will discuss about the chapter test and mental maths. Okay, and for this you have to be prepared with the whole chapter. Then only you will be able to solve these questions. Okay, so I hope you have learned the table till number 10. Yes, if yes, then you will be able to solve these questions very easily. Okay, so let's start with the topic, that is chapter test. Now students, look at the first question. Complete the following. Okay, so the first one is complete the following. Numbers are 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to dash into 6 is equal to dash. Yes, now students, you must be thinking that why I have written 6 over here. Now students, you know that 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, this is a repeated addition of number 6. Yes, now we have to fill in these blanks. Okay, so how we will fill in these blanks? We have to fill here the first factor, and you know that what is the first factor? Our first factor tells us how many equal groups are there. Yes, so let's count how many equal groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal groups. Yes, so our first factor will be 4. Now why we have written here 6 as the second factor? Why? Because there are 6 items in each. Yes, so here the second factor will be 6. Okay, now 4, 6 are. Now tell me, 4, 6 are. If you have learned the table, then only you will be able to answer this question. Yes, 4, 6 are. Yes, 24. Yes, so we will write 24 as a answer. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. And now the next two you will practice yourself. Okay, now let's come to the next question, that is fill in the blanks using properties of multiplication. Now students, let's revise all the properties that we have learned earlier in our third part. Yes, so now there are 3 types of property in the property of multiplication. Yes, which first one is order property, next one is multiplicative property of 1, and last one is multiplicative property of 0. Okay, so what comes under the first property, that is order property? What we have learned under this? The order property means if the order of numbers has changed, then the product will be same. Product will not change. Yes, what we have learned, for example, 6 into 2 is equal to, now tell me, 6 2s are 12. And if I will change the order of these factors, if I will write 2 into 6, then also answer will be same. Yes, 2 into 6 is equal to 12. It means if orders has been changed, then the product will not change. It will not affect the product. As you can see that the product is same. Yes, this we have learned under the order property. Yes, now let's come to the next property, that is multiplicative property of 1. Yes, now in this property we know that if we multiply any number with 1, then the answer will be a number itself. Yes, we know this. Let's take one example. If I told you 5 into 1, then now tell me what will be the product? 5 ones are 5. Yes, it means we will get 5 as a answer. Okay, now let's come to our third property and the last property, that is multiplicative property of 0. Yes, now what comes under this property? We have learned that if we multiply any number with 0, then the answer will be 0. 0 only. Clear? This was all about these three properties. Now let's come to the exercise. Now see, first one is 2 into 5 is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to dash. Now students, see here, 2 into 5 is equal to 5 into 2. Now tell me which property we are following here. Which property? Order property. Yes, that the factors has been changed, but the product which we will find will be same. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. Yes, and 5 2s are, this is also 10. So this is same, 10 10. Yes, so answer will be 10. Clear? Okay, now let's come to the second one, that is 4 into dash is equal to 4. Now tell me from which number we will multiply 4 to get the answer 4 only. Which number we will multiply? We will multiply 1. Then only we will get the answer 4. Yes, as we have learned that if we multiply any number with 1, then the answer will be the number itself. That was our second property. Yes, so 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Okay, now let's come to C part. 3 into 9 is equal to dash into 3 is equal to dash. Now see students, again we are following here the first property, that is order property. 3 into 9 is equal to dash into 3. Now if there is a sign of equal, it means here will be 9. Yes, we have to change the order. So here will be 9. 3 into 9 is equal to 9 into 3 is equal to. Now tell me, 3 9s are 27. Yes, and 9 3s are 27. It means the product of these two factors are same, and the answer will be 27. Clear? I hope this much is clear to you all. Now students, rest of the questions you will solve yourself. Okay? Now let's come to question number 3. Question number 3 is write each product. Okay. First one is 5 into 2. See, this question is very easy. Just you should know the tables. Then only you will be able to solve it. You don't have to do anything. Just you have to write the product of it. And if you know the table, then only you will be able to know the product. Yes. Okay. So let's practice first one. 5 into 2. Now tell me, 5 2s are, yes, 10. Yes. So the answer will be 10. Yes, this is easy. Let's practice one more. 4 into 9. 4 9s are, yes, tell me, 4 9s are 36. Clear? Okay. So in this way you will solve rest of the questions and will find the product. Okay. Now let's come to next exercise. Turn the next page and open page number 88. Look at the fourth question, that is compare the following using greater than, lesser than and equal to sign. Okay. Know that we compare number with the help of 3 signs. Greater than, lesser than and equal to. Okay. So let's solve the first one. 5 into 3 dash 15. Now see, you have to put the sign in. So how you will find that which sign will come in? What you will do? You will compare these two numbers. First number is this and another number is this. Now how you will compare? If you know the table, then only you will be able to know that which sign will come. Yes. So 5 3s are 15. It means the number which is written on the left hand side is correct. Yes. So 5 3s is equal to, yes, 15. It means we will put equal to sign here. Okay. Let's do the second one. 7 added 9 times dash 10 added 5 times. 9 times. Okay. So what will be our first factor? Our first factor will be 9. Why 9? Because there are 9 equal groups. Yes. So we will write 9. Then we will write the second factor, that how many are there in each group? 7. So we will write 7. Okay. In the same way we will solve this one. 10 added 5 times. Now it means we have to add 10 how many times? 5 times. Yes. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. We have added 10 how many times? 5 times. Now here what will be the first factor? The first factor will be 5. Why 5? Because there are 5 equal groups. We have added 10 5 times. 5 into. How many are there in each group? 10. Yes. So we will write 10. Now let's compare these two numbers. 9 sevens are. Now tell me, 9 sevens are 63. Yes. So this is 63. And let's come to the next one. 5 tens are. 5 tens is equal to 50. Yes. Now compare these two numbers. Which one is bigger and which one is small? Tell me. 63 is bigger or 50 is bigger? 63 is bigger. Why 63 is bigger? Because there are 6 tens at the tens place, and in number 50 there are 5 tens at the tens place. Yes. So 6 tens is greater than 5 tens. So we will put greater than sign. Okay. Is this clear? Yes. Now see students, rest of the 3 questions you will do yourself. You will put the correct sign. Okay. Now let's come to question number 5. 5 is complete the multiplication grid. Okay. Multiplication grid. What do you mean by multiplication grid? Means, can you see that one table is given over here? Yes. And one side there are first factors and another side there are second factors. You have to multiply these. Did you remember that earlier I have explained to you one table? Yes, that was I think under the quick assessment. Yes, and that we have completed the table by multiplying these two factors. In the same way you will solve here. Okay, so solve it yourself. Now let's come to the 7th question, that is a problem sum. Okay, so there are 7 coins in each stack. You must be thinking that what is a stack? Stack means collection. Okay, you can also say that arrange in a very well manner. Okay, so there are 7 coins in each stack. There are 8 stacks of coins. How many coins are there in all? Now see students. Now see, this is a stack. Okay, this is the first stack of 7 coins. In the same way, you will arrange 8 stacks of 7 coins. So how you will arrange? What you will do? Similarly, 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now here are 8 stacks having 7 coins each. Okay, having 7 coins each. Clear? So what will be our first statement? Our first statement will be number of coins in one stack is equal to 7. Okay. Now you have to find out the number of coins in 8 stack. So what you will write? Number of coins in 8 stacks is equal to. Now you have to find the number of coins in 8 stack. Yes. So how many equal groups are there? 8 equal groups. Yes, there are 8 stacks. We have to find out the answer of 8 stacks. Yes. So we will write 8. Then we will put multiplication sign. Then our second number will be 7. Why 7? Because there are 7 coins in each stack. Okay. So 8 sevens are, yes, 56. Yes. So it means there are 56 coins in all. Clear? Okay. So we can write answer as there are 56 coins options. Okay, so let's see. First option is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, this is your first option. Second option is 4 times 6. Okay, now next option is 6 fourths. And the last option is 6 times 4. Okay, now you have to find out that which one is odd one out of these. Okay, means which one is not equal to another. Okay, so let's solve. First one, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be equal to, yes. Now tell me, the first factor will be 6. Yes, why 6? Because there are 6 equal groups. It means we have added number 4 6 times. So our first factor will be 6. And then we will put multiplication sign. And next number will be 4. Why? Because there are 4 in each group. Yes. So we will write 4. Now 6 fours are. Tell me, 6 fours are? Yes. 24. Yes, 6 fours are 24. Clear? So now this is the first option. We got this as our answer. Okay. Now let's come to second option. 4 times 6. Now what do you mean by 4 times 6? Is it correct? Is this option is matching to this one? No, this is not matching. Why? Because 4 times 6 means we have to add 6 4 times. This will be the answer of this, and this is not matching to this. Yes. Now let's come to option C, 6 fours. Yes, this is matching. I have told you 6 fours are 24. Yes. So now next one, 6 times 4. This is also correct. Why? We have seen here that we have added 4 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times. Which number we have added? 4. So this is also same. This is also same. This is also same. It means which is different? Option B is different. So you will take option B. Okay, fine. Now let's come to question number 9. 8 times 7 minus 4 times 9 is equal to 5 times dash. Okay, 8 times 7. So what do you mean by 8 times 7? It means we have to add 7 how many times? 8 times. Yes, so it means there are 8 equal groups. 8 equal groups, and how many times? 7 times. Yes, we have added 7 number 8 times. Yes, so there are 8 equal groups, 7 in each. Okay, minus 4 times 9. It means we have to add 4 number 9 times. So the first factor will be 9. Why? Because there will be 9 equal groups, and how many times we will add? 4. Okay, now this is equal to 5 times dash. Now tell me which number we will add 5 times that the answer will be from these options. Okay, so this we will find later once. First we will solve this one. Now 8 sevens are. Now tell me 8 sevens are 56. Yes, so we will write 56 over here. 9 fours are 36. Yes, so we will write 36 over here. Okay, now we will subtract 56 minus 36. So let's subtract 56 minus 36. If we will subtract the ones column first, then 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the answer will be 20. Yeah. So this is equal to 20. Now tell me which number we will add 5 times to get the answer. So how you will find? What you will do? Now recall the table. Yes. Let's count. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. Yes. It means we will add 4 5 times. 5 times 4. Then the answer will be equal to 20. Okay, so let's find where is the number 4. This we have done in our problem sum question also. Same question, only digit was changed. Yes. So this also you can do yourself. 4 wheels on each car. If one car is having 4 wheels, then how many wheels will be? 7. So you will multiply 7 into 4. Yes. Now let's come to third one. Dash into 5 is equal to dash into 30. Okay. So how you will find? You know the product. The product is 30. Yes. So you can write here 30. Okay. You know 30 is the product. And how many times we have to multiply? 5 times. Yes. Because the second factor is 5. Which means there are 5 in each group. Okay. So it means we have to read the table of 5. Okay. So let's read the table of 5 so that the product will be 30. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30. Yes, it means if we will multiply 6 with 5, then the answer will be 30. Yes, so 6 into 5 is equal to, use order property here to fill the next blank. Yes, 6 into 5 is equal to 5 into 6, which is equal to 30. Clear? Okay, getting my point? Okay. Now students, let's come to fourth one. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to. Now see, here you don't have to add, you have to do repeated addition here. Okay. So what you will do, first you will count for how many times 8 is given over here. Then you will write the factor and then you will find the product. Okay. Clear? So students, I hope this exercise is clear to you all. Please keep practicing.